Secondary indexes with RethinkDB are very powerful, as I hope you're starting to see. And you can have more than one on a table if you want. So let's take a look at a second type, which is compound indexes, indexes of 2 or more values. So for every sales document, I have referrals, and for the large part, they're null, but some aren't. So let's restrict on that, and I'll use has fields to do that. And if we take a look down the list here, we can see, yes, there is a referral. So let's say I want to have an index where I can query quickly and easily on this referral identifier, but also the state where the buyer is located. So for that, I can use the billing address state. In this case, it could be Pennsylvania. So for this, I might want to create an index that will index both values, the referral identifier and the state of the customer. So I can do that. And I will create an index, and I'll call it referrals. And for the definition, I am going to just pass in an array. And what you saw me do before was just a single row, customer and email. Here, I'm just going to do an array of basically the same thing, billing address and state. And then for the second value, I'll drop this down so we can see it. For the second value, I'm going to pass in r.row, and this is going to be referral and identifier. So running it, and our index is created. So now let's put together a query using getAll. I can specify that I want Pennsylvania, and I also want the referral identifier 22222. Because this is a compound index, I'm going to have to do two things. First is I have to send this in as an array. Second, I have to make sure those values are in the same order that I specified in the index. Then I'll just specify the index as referrals. Okay, executing our query, it comes back in fairly fast order. And having a look at our data, yep, we have a state of Pennsylvania, and let's check out the referral down below here. And there it is. That is the right identifier.